Hello there. I'm going to show you how to use a sales email template to send beautifully customized emails to your customers on Bumper. The first thing you want to do is open your app, which is at app.kempa.com, basically the web app. You want to open your dashboard like this. You want to scroll down to sales and marketing, click on campaigns, then you want to click on new campaign and it's already on email campaign by default. Here is where you get to choose the email templates. You can either use a default or for this particular video, you want to use sales email template. You can click on it, click on continue. You can also set this email template as default, which means that every single time I send an email, it will be in this particular template by default. So moving forward, you want to select the customers that you want to send this particular campaign or email to. Mind you can do this with customers or certain customer groups that we have on Bumper. So here you can just easily select who you want, click on continue. Then you want to give a name to this campaign so you know what this particular campaign was about. Flash sale announcement. Again, this is just for you. Now, subject. So this is the first line in your customer's inbox that they will see, and you want to make it really, really good. Something that's going to entice them to open it and know what the email is about. Great. We also have a variable I'll show you in the next screen that you can add here, which is the customer's first name if you want their first name to appear on the subject. But next thing I want to do is to click on customize email. So here is where the fun happens. This particular side of the screen is where you're going to do all your customizations, and as you do them, it's going to display here. So first of all, I want to choose the font that we want. And you can choose anyone that you want. I'm going to choose Redana. Please note that the way fonts display in your customer's inbox depends on the rules that guide their inbox. But what we try to do with this particular feature is to use fonts that most inboxes will accept and will work with. So I've chosen Verdana. I want to change the color to red. I can just pick one here. I can actually open here and just toggle across different colors and variations that I want, but I want red. Moving forward here, you can edit what this heading is. This. Okay. You can also edit this button with any copy you want. I may change mine to buy now. And this button link is by default your website URL. However, if you prefer it to be any other URL, say a particular product collection, a particular product, or even your Instagram link, you can change it and put the link here. Now we're going to now build the email itself. So the header is basically what happens in this section. Here, so here you can see this is where you build the body of the email and you can put in whatever content you want. You can also bolden text, put it in italics, underline, strike through, put it in comments. You can insert a link, insert an extra image if you so wish, and just basically move like that. You can see I can bolden text, can bold this. I can put something in italics. Let me see. Right, that's in italics. I can strike through if I so want. Right. And I can also underline anything I want as well. Again, this is your email builder. You can do anything you want here. So as you can see, it displays here. Now, here's my favorite part of this particular sales template. The part where you get to put in the product you are selling with just one simple click. So here you want to put the title of a section. And then I also select the product. Again, this is how you know this is one of the best templates you can use with just one click, and you don't need to upload images again or do something all over again. You can just select these products, click on continue, and as you can see, the name of the product, the price of the product, the pictures are just uploaded with just one single click, and that's what makes this really, really beautiful. So here I can also upload, I have to upload an image here. So let me just put this here, open. As you can, this basically looks like this. At the moment, you have to upload an image here and we have put the recommended dimension for you. So I have another section for an extra product that I want to sell. And I can also like edit this and put in another name. So okay. Then I can select other products as well. So I want it to be long dinner dresses. So I'm going to select this, click on continue. And as you can see again, the Images, pictures, name, and all of that, the products are showing here. One other beautiful thing you should know is when your customer receive this email, if they click on shop now, it will take them to the specific product. That is how beautiful this feature is. Now, I can now also add extra, a footer and everything to this particular section. Just like this is a builder, I can also insert an image here as well. So let me insert this image, click. Again, you will find, as you can see, I can also insert an image here. This entire thing depends, you have a lot of freedom in what you want to do. So as you can see, I've inserted an image, and here is the footer section. In the footer section, you can embed the links to your social media pages. At the moment, you need to embed at least three. So there has to be at Okay. So here, as you can see, the store address that you already have in your store information page is already pre-filled, but you can also edit it. So I can actually write, then your store name is also pre-filled for you, but if you need to edit that, you can also do it as well. And this is exactly how my email is going to look. And I'm going to click on send campaign. And as you can see, I see what's going to cost me. I click on send. As you can see, it has put in my first name because that's my name on this customer's in bumper dashboard. You can see Hello Gift. It has all the content. It has the images. You can see the image I inserted here. You can see the addresses. You can see the other image here. And this is basically what it looks like. Beautiful email. This is basically democratizing what bigger e-commerce brands actually do for their marketing, and now is available for you as a small business owner. So I hope you get to enjoy this and use it to run your sales to your customers, and I hope that it does bring you conversions. Thank you very much for watching.